Hey, welcome back to That's Right Recycling. Today we're gonna open up this jump starter pack. It's shot. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get you in the right position. Pulling these screws out. I want to open it before I cut these cables. Oh, I forgot a screw. Always that one screw. There's the basic plug on the back of it. Shred plastic. Okay. Pull you out of the way. Move out of the way. Maybe not. Might have to untake that one off. Nope. Pliers. Remove this. Nope. Wow. Feisty. Not really bad. Just cut this and be done with it. Didn't want to, but lug's in my way. Over there. Can't push that down a little more. Yeah, the wrenches and whatnot are in the shop, so I gotta make do. Get the battery out of the way. This ain't working. Oh well, we make it work. Now, can we get to that? And wrong tool. All right, let's. I like to get it like that. The struggle is real. Come on out. If I had a socket or a wrench, I'd be good to go. There we go. Unbelievable. Come on, babe. The angle's all wrong. I want to get me the adjustables that have the little indents instead of these smooth jaws, flat jaws, whatever. Maybe Santa Claus will give me some. Me being Santa Claus, there's no Santa Claus here. I left Florida, therefore I'm on my own. Come on now. Turn the camera on, everything gets complicated. There we go. Never fails. Alright. Can I get back to unscrewing some things? Some brass and some steel. Definitely steel. Do 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 do. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Oh, need that. Another screw right there. Oh, two more, please. Make that three. Yep, Rocky's barking at nothing or someone. Who knows? Never know with that dog. He's barking his own shadow. All right, plastic. Sometimes, but not always. Sometimes you can wrench that wire back and forth. No. Nope. Gonna need the pliers. Socket. There ain't no socket. There ain't. Wait. Let me go into lost and found section. I forgot. Too big. Next size down. That's the size. Use the tools I hardly ever use. I keep forgetting they're down there. Reverse. Yeah. I definitely gotta. Oh. There we go. I should be in the shop next month as soon as the ramp gets built. Semi-handicapped, so you know. Then I can have all my tools and more. Alright. There's a battery. Now some scrap yards will pay you a better price for a battery this size versus the smaller ones you pull out of backups. So you have to check your yard. I know Nacho stuff gets like, I can't remember, it's been a while, but he gets like good prices for these compared to like getting it by the weight. Old Nacho stuff down in Florida. Hope you survived okay, buddy. I know you did, but just say it. Just say it. Let's see what's on this board. Probably not much. Something's better than nothing. Big screwdriver. I got all the screws. It just wants to be stuck on something. That's alright, we get it. It might not be pretty, but we'll get it off of there. Get my NSWs. Cigarette lighter, right? DC. Yeah. Well, it's got 4 screws on it. Let's pop that off because it's recyclable. I don't like the plastic. Looks like brass. Most likely it's aluminum, but not always sure. No, it's brass. Cool. Gotta check. Then on-off switch. Yeah, I'm sure there's a little contact in there, but I ain't worried about it. Like I said, nothing on here. Is there gold in this? Nope. Didn't think so. Get these little bit of wires off. This junk board goes in with the rest of the boards. Yeah, there's some 2 LEDs. We're good. Brass. Have to take these off, and then they look brass. We don't know. No stick. What about? I have a file handy, so. Yep. It's yellow. It's brass. Shred. Box. If we break this open, there'll be a mini power supply in there. I got barrels of them. Someday we'll bust them all down again when we take them in, or maybe the scrapyard changed their mind and we'll take them like that. Don't know. It's been a while since I've been back to find out. I'm not going to call for that one question. No need to waste their time when I'm not bringing nothing down. Oh. Brass. Good. It'll be a little bit of a long video. You know. Could edit all the nasty stuff out, but I like to see the struggle. I guess. Oh, it's riveted on there. So we'll just. I'll have to just cut this end off for now. Gotta go in the do it later bucket. Get this piece off. Number 2 copper. This is good stripping wire right here. Yep. We'll definitely do that. Sweet. Oh, another one. Both cap. Let's get a blade on this real quick. Everybody can see. See that purtiness? Yeah, this should just peel right out. Or make my hands hurt more. Yeah, whatever. Oh, come on now. Show them the Mocapa. So easy. There we go. Purty. Put that over there. Oh. No. Is that a blend? No. That's got a silver tin on it. Wait a minute. That was part of it. There's copper. Must be the lighting. Must be the lighting. I think that's it. Are we there? I got that piece. Yep. Well, thanks for watching. I believe that's it. Thank you. God bless.